My name is Wesley Samson. I'm the Vice President of Samson Metal and Machine in Lakeland, Florida. We are a fourth generation business, and we do a lot of work with entertainment, amusement park type places, as well as quite a bit of work in aerospace and different things of that nature. Clients know that they need a certain product, but they also need someone to design it, engineer it, and obviously fabricate it and get it in their hands. One of the great things we saw about Syspro was two things. Number one, we're a small business that's growing into a medium and large business over time. We like the fact that we could tell that we could grow into this system versus outgrowing it eventually. It's not just about, hey, we've got this software that you can use to do this. They're saying, we've got this software for you to use to do this. And by the way, this is what's happening in the industry, and we're getting ahead of it now. So by the time you get to this point, you're going to be ahead of the game because you've got our system and you've got our product. We're able to really get good insights really every day if we wanted to, but basically every week. Our project managers, our engineers, everybody's able to pull together and really see how we're doing and be able to make changes and adapt quicker so that we're able to make sure our profitability is what we originally planned when the project was quoted, and make sure we cross the finish line with what we had planned on. Being able to come up with different types of user interfaces for not only our administrative staff, but our workers as well, to be able to see how they're performing at that given moment in terms of what the project was anticipated to do. I think that's going to drive engagement in our company and help people see that what they do every day is actually impacting the business directly, and they see what their worth is more than just, I'm here to do a specific job, whatever you tell me. They feel like they're more part of the organization.